how to trade crypto for beginners. All right, get in here, get in here. The whole basically how to trade, what I would say, how to trade crypto for beginners is to surround yourself with experts, right? So the whole point of this video is to introduce you to how to trade crypto for beginners. And I've been a student of crypto for more than a couple of years now, and I belong to an academy, and it's the whole point of me sharing this with you. If you're interested in learning about cryptocurrency and digital assets, then let's collaborate, because you want to surround yourself with the experts, right? So I'll just share with you what that looks like if you were to have enrolled in the academy. And I would say too, if you are new to trading crypto, on how to trade digital currency, or how to trade Bitcoin or Ethereum, consider giving yourself a year to a year and a half of a journey, because there's a lot to learn. And the thing is, though, a lot of people really believe that we are early still right now. So that's something to keep in mind, that although you might have heard a lot of it going around, we're still really early. So the next 5, 10, 20 years, if you're going to be that long in the market, can potentially bring us great returns. And that's what we want to do, is get returns on our money, right? So if you're interested in learning about the academy, please consider reaching out to me, 520-400-9573. So you can text me the word DCX, and then we can jump on the phone, we can talk about it. Long story short, if you get involved, then we can help each other. We can learn like iron sharpens iron, right? Now, one good thing about the academy is we have over 200 different educators, and every week they rotate them in on a Sunday through Saturday schedule. And you can actually jump on these right here, any of these and more. I'm just going to check my volume. Any of these and more. Iron sharpens iron, right? Okay. And one good thing about the academy is we have over 200 different educators. Sorry, I just wanted to make sure my volume was okay. Okay, see if I can open this. Okay. All right, just checking, getting the media going. So this is a schedule, and the good thing about this schedule is that these are all professionals. These people study all different variations, NFTs, cryptocurrency, how to scalp trade, or how, if you don't know what that means like trade within one day, like a few minutes or a few hours, even up to a day. Or what is that? And that's the thing, is you learn. You don't need to know that everything right now, but you do want to be on that journey, and you want to learn it. And you can jump on any of these every week. All these instructors have live presentations, and you can jump on any and all of them when you're a member. So this is powerful. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. And then over here on the side, this is, I'm not sure if I'm in his group. Let's see here. There's different levels of membership. Okay, this guy he's really Patrick Kinney. Oh my gosh, he's amazing. So that's the thing. You get to be around these people that just know all this stuff about cryptocurrency and digital assets. You can join them on anytime live, or you can watch the replays, right? Now, also too, as a beginner, you get access to like a pre-recorded academy, right? And you just go through and you learn each one, like the basics, like what are digital exchanges, and you learn along the way, and you just learn one step at a time. You're not going to get there overnight. That's why I say give yourself a year to a year and a half if you're going to go on this journey. It's not something that you might get some results right away. Hopefully that's nice, like some nice, but still is a lot to learn. There's just so much to learn. Now, today is Thursday. It's February 9th. I'm just sharing with you. I follow Bitcoin and Ethereum, just those two closely. That's just my strategy. Everybody has different strategies. So I'll just share with you some of the stuff that you will be learning inside the academy. Now this is just take a quick look at this. This is Bitcoin since the beginning of the year. So this is right here, this line, this is called a line chart. Right here, where February 9th is the day. You can see right there, that's where we're at, right? So see this purple line, this is kind of for my swing trading is more like trying to, like right now, okay, looking at the big picture, where's it gonna go from here? Is it gonna go up or is it gonna go down? Well, we don't really know. So we try to make the best choices that we can. So in my mind, this purple line that you see across the screen is a zone of support that if it gets above that zone, if the blue, if it goes up here, if this goes like this, it goes above like this, then it's a good chance we're gonna keep going up, because it could keep going up for a while. The tricky thing is it goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down. But you can just see I was in a swing trade from here, okay, this point here. So look at it, just since the beginning of the year, January 1st, price was 16,600-ish, okay? Now the price is 22,500. So if you just had one Bitcoin, if you had one Bitcoin the first of the year, you said, I'm going to put down, you don't, that's the thing, you don't have to put down one. You can put down a tenth of one. So what if you just, say 16, so right here, just say if you got it, just say, make it easier for the math. Say you bought one Bitcoin at 16,600, and then, but now it's 22,600-ish, okay? So that's 17, 18, 19, 20. So 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. That's an increase of $7,000. But more than that, it's the percent of return. And that's the whole name of the game in trading that I'm learning. It's not really about the dollar amount as much as it is about the percent amount, right? So, and I'm not quite sure. I would have to figure out what that percent is, but it's a nice percent. That's what we want, right? That's what we want. So I'm looking at right now. I'm just watching this for my swing trades. If we get out of this zone area right here, thing is we're going to get out of this zone. The thing is price going to go down or is price going to go up? Well, what we do is we learn to put a magnifying glass on it. So what you're looking at right now is what's considered a chart, a daily chart. Every move, for example, this is another look at it, another frame of view. Each candle represents one day. Okay, now on the line chart, it's just spread out like that. Every day you get one move, right? So right now, this is the daily chart, right? One day at a time, all right? Now, how do we magnify it? Well, we can zoom right in as far as we want, but we're going to zoom into the 15-minute time frame. So we're going from a daily time frame to a 15-minute time frame. Does that make sense? Now, this is more for scalping, okay? But it also helps me determine when I want to sell my swing, because at some point, what if this price goes back to here, back down to here? Well, you don't want to take that ride, right? We want to sell it before we break down. Okay, that's swing trade. If you're swing trading, that's the idea. All right, now you can also just buy and hold, because some people believe in a year and a half from now, it's not even going to matter, because the price of Bitcoin could be from anywhere from 100 to 200,000, maybe even. We don't know. You know, somewhere in that potentially it could. So it's not going to really matter. Was it 22,000? Was it 17,000? If you bought one at 17,000, or if you bought one at 22,000, if the price goes up to 150,000, are you really going to care? I mean, probably not. Probably not, right? It's not that much difference, right? So, but on a scalp and swing trading, so that's the thing. That's the thing I want you to understand. The different types of trading strategies. As a beginner, there's position trading, which is probably best for most people, because you don't have to think about it a lot. You just dollar cost average maybe into like a Bitcoin or Ethereum, and Like, and then in 5 to 10 years, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 years from now, it's hopefully going to grow a lot. So that's position trading. Swing trading is where it's trading the highs and lows of the session. It can be every 5, 10, 15, 20 days. For what I'm seeing, sometimes it holds a zone. Like right now, I'm trying to swing trade this. This is over a month, and look at this month, and last month we've just been hovering around this area, so we haven't really moved yet on a swing trading basis, right? So, and then there's scalp trading and momentum trading. So scalp trading, now we're gonna go from the daily chart. We're gonna zoom into the 15-minute chart. I'm gonna show you what that looks like. These are just some zones that I've set up. This is this little piece right here. This is where this dot is right here. We're zooming in. I'm zooming in all the way to it. This is it right here, right? Where that big dot was. Right here. I mean, it's really zoomed in, 15-minute time frame, right? So you can even go further down, 5-minute time frame. But now you can see though that I've laid out these red bars and green bars. If it breaks below, for me and for my mindset, I'm just going to zoom out. It's a little bit more on the hour. Me and my mindset, if we lose this red, these 4 bars here, if we lose all 4 of these bars right here, which are getting tested right now, So actually, sometimes this is a good place to scalp long because it's testing the support. You can see right here, it's testing it right there, right? Boom. It's going to test them like you just saw a little bounce right there. Okay. You do get tested support. That's the support. Those red bars are my support bars. Okay. Now I'll be feeling more confident about my going up if we can get up above this green bar. Okay. So I'm just kind of waiting on that to see what happens. But now if we broke below, like if we did break, which we could happen, if we break and close below here, that's probably when I'm going to jump out of my swing trades while it goes down. Now on the scalp trade, the good thing about scalp trading is you can scalp price when the price goes up, and you can scalp trade when the price goes down. So whether the price goes up or down, we can profit, but just want to make sure you make the right decision because you get it wrong, then it'll go against you and you'll lose money, and that's what we don't want. So speaking of that, I just want to share with you one more thing about 4 trading fears just to be aware of as a beginning trader. And these are things I'm working on myself. Is being wrong. Is the fear of being wrong. We don't want to be wrong. Do we get in now? Do we get out? What are we doing? Being wrong. Losing money. Nobody wants to lose money. I hate when I lose money. Missing out. You don't want to miss out. Should I get in right now? I don't want to miss out on the move, right? Leaving money on the table. Taking profit. That's the thing about taking profits. You want to take those profits when we can take profits. Sometimes you don't take. You want to. Well, maybe if I wait a little bit longer, maybe I'm leaving money on the table. If I sell it now, maybe I'm leaving money on the table. Then yes, it doesn't go far enough and ends up going lower, and you make less money or you lose money. So that's just a fear. So these are 4 things to be aware of: is being wrong, losing money, missing out, and leaving money on the table. So 4 trading fears just to be aware of. Okay, and that's it. So this is what I'm watching for on the 15-minute time frame. These are my zones right here on Bitcoin. All right. So if you have any questions about that, please let me know. If you have any questions about the Academy, please let me know. This Academy is something that is a great investment if this is something you want to learn. Most YouTubers that teach these sort of things are just one person. You're tapping into over 200 different educators, and you're learning from them what is important to you. And that's why I feel like it's so helpful. And then check this out. If you refer 2 people, if you join the academy and you refer 2 people, oops, did all this, I didn't even have my light on. And if you refer 2 people, you get your membership for free. Think about that. And if you're motivated, then there's income to be made. I mean, there are a lot of people that in the company that have over 500 different subscribers that they've referred. And so it's not an impossibility. And that's over $2,500 a week or $10,000 a month. Think about that. Just from the comfort of your home, doing what you like doing, just sharing this. I'm sharing you. This is just the way I'm trying to grow it, is just by sharing it on YouTube. But there's lots of ways you can do it by word of mouth. You can call people, text, all kind of stuff. But you have 500 subscribers. Think about that. $10,000 a month. That's what's on the table. But just learning it, that's the thing, is they have a lot of new things always coming out. They keep it fresh. Digital currency, digital assets are things it's very important. It's very important. There's a lot of money that's going to be made and lost in this industry. And the more you know, the more of a better educated decision I feel like you can make. Does that make sense? And then as we're working together, iron sharpens iron, right? I learn from you, you learn from me. It's a great way to improve ourselves, right? So this is what I'm watching. If you have any interest in learning about the academy or questions about it, just shoot me a text, the 520-400-9573, or just click the link and join. Realize that there's other academies that are great as well to consider. I'm not, I want to join them all, but right now I'm focused in on the digital DC. It's called DCX. So if you want to join the academy, the link is inside the description. Just click it and then join if you're interested, and but join the DCX. But check out the other academies too. They're, depending on what you're interested in, they are, man, so I can't wait to get into them myself. So, all right, that's it for now. That's all I have. Appreciate your time and your energy. Let's collaborate if interested, and we'll see you on the next lesson. Bye for now.